This is All India Radio, Bengaluru. Good evening, dear listeners, and welcome back to our English Yuvani program. In today's edition, we wheelchair basketball player Garima Joshi and marathon runner and cyclist Harsimran Jeet Singh.
Hello listeners. One evening I was returning home from office. I saw a young girl on a wheelchair in the Kabban Park metro station. Immediately the train came and I boarded the train and alighted at my destination, that is Halsur metro station. Again I saw the same girl, and as I came out noticed that a young man was maneuvering the wheelchair. Needless to say, I was impressed by his kind gesture and said hello to them. Soon we began to talk, and I was told that they are athletes and they're here to practice session for a forthcoming international event. To my surprise and shock, I discovered that the girl on the wheelchair was fit as a fiddle and a long distance runner not so long ago. Let us know who this girl is and who the young man who's helping her out in her practice session. Presenting to you Garima Joshi and Honey Singh. Hello. Hi Garima.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello Honey.
Hi, ma'am.
You will have to tell me your long name, which I find difficult to express.
My real name is Harsimranjeet Singh.
Harsimranjeet Singh.
Yes,
But you are called Honey Singh.
Honey Singh.
Does anyone call you by your that long name?
In college and school's time.
Attendance time.
Yeah, attendance time.
But you are more popular as Honey Singh, right? Honey.
Honey.
That's cool. Okay, let us talk to Harsimranjeet Singh and Garima Joshi about their athletic life and other part of their life. Honey Singh, you are a half marathon runner. Tell us a little about this half marathon.
The marathon is a distance of 42 kilometer, and half marathon is the distance of half the 42 kilometer, like 21 point some more meters. We run half marathon because a half marathon is like neither too long nor too short. So my main
But it's
event
pretty
is
long, isn't it? 21 kilometers is not less.
even I run 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer.
They are called short marathons,
Yeah, mini marathons.
mini marathons.
Quarter marathons.
Okay.
Or cross country is like 12.5 kilometer.
I think running a marathon needs a lot of energy, stamina, endurance, and lot of practice.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you do that?
Because we run weekly basis. At least when we go somewhere, we prefer walking 2-3 kilometer walking. And of course, marathon is not a easy way. It needs lots of practice, willpower, and stamina, endurance. If you want to run fast, you have to do lots of practice. My personal best is 1 hour 28 minutes. Like it achieved by with a lots of practice. Like
That is 21 and a half kilometers.
yes,
You covered in 1 hour?
28 minutes.
Oh my god. That sounds very pretty long and hard task,
Yes.
isn't it? Have you been a runner from childhood?
No, no. I started running in 2011. My first marathon was Pune International Marathon. It's also a country's first marathon. So before that, I participated in lots of cycling races in Pune and trekking events. So I love trekking, I love cycling, and from cycling, some of my friends introduced me to running a marathon. So when I run 10 kilometer in Pune International Marathon, then I think discover and study it, ki what is the best timing, what is the world record, what is the so it look very interesting to run fast, to improve the timing, how to eat and how to practice and like stretching exercise. So I stuck with running, trekking, cycling. It's a very nice combination.
Are you based in Pune then?
Alive in Pune for 5 years almost, from 2009 to 2014.
I guess you are from Punjab.
Yeah, I am from Amritsar.
You are from Amritsar and you lived in Pune for 5 years.
Yes.
Was it for studies or for
Yeah,
anything else?
For graduation.
Oh, you've done your graduation in Pune.
Yeah, from Bharati Vidyapeeth. And I also did aeronautical engineering from some private institute, parallel. I did my MTech from aerospace in ISC College from Bangalore. Now I am worked in Taneja Aerospace as an R&D department and also running.
You were studying when you started marathon running.
Yes.
And then you continue to study in Bangalore and you are continuing to run marathon.
Yes.
Back in Punjab, how is the atmosphere for sports, games and athletics?
Punjab is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. It is very a good climate for any kind of sports like activity. the main center of all India sports is in Patiala, because the main thing is the diet is very good, and atmosphere is also very good. It is a combination of all the climates, like autumn, winter, summer, like spring. So it is,
Prior to marathon, you've been cycling.
yeah.
Have you won races and done some achievement over there in
No,
cycling?
like winning a cycle race is very tough task. Every time I think ki next time I will practice more and win, but it is very difficult. In very some events, I got second or third position. In Pune Bicycle Championship, I got second position. It held in Lavasa.
Hani Singh, I guess you were on the bicycle from your childhood.
No, ma'am. I learned the bicycle after my 10th class in 2005, because my coaching center, like where we do IIT coaching, it is far behind from my home. Then I decided to learn bicycle.
Okay, after your 10 plus,
Yes.
you learnt how to ride a bicycle.
Yes.
And after that, you went on to become a racer on bicycle.
When I went to Pune for my graduation, I meet so many people in Pune who did lots of practice, daily practice. I also got
You were
inspiration.
attracted towards cycle racing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, though you are a late entrant on the bicycle, you've been a racing cyclist.
Yes.
Oh, that is good development. And from there, you moved on to the marathon.
Yes. Because first sports is cycling. I do Pune Bombay cycling race 2 times, Pune to Baramati 2 times, and lots of local cycle races ranging from 10 kilometer to 60 kilometer.
Does Pune have a cycling track and many events coming up now and then?
Yeah, Pune is very active in cycling and trekking events. Any Sunday you will find any kind of cycle race. Pune Bicycle Championship is very active in these kind of races. So Pune has also a very good surface, like a good elevation for cycling, because Pune is a mixture of mountains and plain roads, where lots of Ghats road,
So, it's an ideal cycling track, you want to say.
ideal cycling track.
And also for running.
Yes.
Cross country, marathon, and all. Pune is a very good place.
Yes.
That's how you have developed your interest in these two sports and you still been continuing.
Yes.
Either you take the bicycle or you take your feet on the road.
Yes.
Only two options you have.
Like my best passion is like trekking.
Okay.
In Pune, I did lots of trekking. I explore any single, like any corner of Pune. Like Pune has lots of fort, but in Bangalore, it is very difficult to do trekking because
How long you have been in Bangalore now?
5 years.
Oh, for the last 5 years, you are a Bangalorean
Yes.
for your studies and for your work.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have taken this city as your next home.
Next home.
And where did you meet Garima, your friend, who you help so much?
I meet Garima 2 years back on some race, and then on Facebook we introduced both of us. We met on TCS World 10K race on 2017. So from that we are known to each other.
Okay. So did she come for a marathon race here?
Yeah, Garima came here for TCS 10K World, like 10 kilometer race.
10-kilometer race. So before that, shall we talk and find out who Garima is, what is she been doing till then? Hello, Garima.
Hi, ma'am.
Tell us something about your sporting career or yourself.
First of all, I'm Garima Joshi and I belong to Uttarakhand, and I'm a long distance runner in athletic. In the event of 800 meter, 1500 meter, 3000 meter, I'm also a national champion.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Which years were that?
2014, 15, 16.
3 years consecutively you've
Yeah,
been the
in national champion.
national champion.
In the event of 800 meter, 1500 meter, and 3000 meter. Gold medalist.
Okay, gold medalist.
Yes. Then I started my marathons, means half marathon, and I done 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer
Where was it?
in Uttarakhand, like Ranikhet, Rudhpur, Dehradun, Karnal, Haryana, Punjab.
Okay, so you've been a marathon runner for quite some time.
Yeah, yeah.
2 years, 3 years? How many years?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
While you were practicing long distance running, you were also running this half marathons.
Yeah, half marathons.
Okay.
I win lots of marathons in event of 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer, which is held on Karnal, Punjab, and Ranikhet.
Then how did you come to know about this TCS 10K marathon here in Bangalore?
Actually, my friend Honey told me that international marathon was organized in Bangalore, so you also can participate it. So हनी ने मेरा registration किया,
Okay.
and then मैं उत्तराखंड से आई, and then I'm participating 10-kilometer race, and my gender rank is 6th
Okay.
in 10-kilometer
Oh, that is good.
of the timing of 55 minutes.
Wow. 10 kilometers you covered in 55 minutes.
Yes.
I think there were marathon runners who were already seasoned, who have practiced in many marathon events, and those who are medalists. I mean, the first, second, third place. You have competed with such people,
Yeah.
and you are very young. You have been placed sixth. That is
Yeah.
a big achievement in itself, isn't it?
Yes.
That too outside your state. You have come this far to the south, to Karnataka, to participate.
Yeah. I'm also playing karate. In karate, I'm a blue belt.
Wow.
And फिर मुझे कराटे उतना अच्छा गेम नहीं लगा. And you know, मारपीट वाला था.
Okay, you don't
So,
like hitting and
yeah.
violence and all that.
Yeah.
They say it is for self-defense, but there's a lot of hitting, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
But my main focus in athletic.
Okay. So you gave up karate and you continued doing your athletics.
Yes.
Athletics is a very demanding sport, they say, because you need to practice. You need to get up early every day, and you need to run. You need to practice starting from the warm up, and then you need to practice for long hours, 2 hours, 3 hours in the hot sun, or even more. Mornings and again in the evenings. In the evening, people start practicing once again.
Yeah.
And then till late night, you'll be practicing. So it's a very long day, isn't it?
Not till night. Actually, you know, जंगली जानवर बहुत आते हैं वहाँ. Dangerous.
It is little dangerous to practice in the darkness.
Yeah.
So you will prefer to practice in the mornings
Morning,
and early evening,
evening, yes.
not in the night.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have proper facilities over the stadium or other places?
No, facilities not there.
Okay.
Actually, I am practice roadside. And खेत होते हैं ना,
Fields.
fields,
Okay.
उसमें.
See, first somebody has to spot and find out that Garima is good at running. Who did that job for you?
My father and my school teachers. एक्चुअली मुझे एक पार्टनर चाहिए था, एंड मेरे फादर दीदी को भेजते थे मेरे साथ, एंड देन आई एम स्टार्टेड माई रनिंग. उसके बाद हम लोग जब स्कूल के गेम्स होते हैं लाइक स्टेट चैम्पियनशिप एंड रीजनल गेम्स, सो वहाँ क्या हुआ कि हम तीनों भाई बहनों के बीच कंपटीशन कराया, ब्रदर सिस्टर एंड मेरे बीच. सो टीचर ने ये कहा कि जो भी इसमें से फर्स्ट आएगा वो रीजनल खेलने जाएगा.
Okay.
And मैंने
So you three children of the same family are made to run.
या
And the teacher would say whoever tops or runs faster and reaches first will be selected for the
for
regional.
regional games.
Wow.
Yes.
It is
So
so simple.
I will win. Yeah.
You won the race
Yeah.
and you went for the regional event.
Yeah.
Where was that regional event?
Dehradun, ONGC.
Okay.
That time my mummy and papa started to support me that I'm focused on athletic games only. So I'm started.
So your parents realized that you are good at running and your teacher also supported.
Yeah.
And you had a kind of selection for the regional game from within your siblings. And then you got selected, you played and you won some place there, I think, no? Did you win at Dehradun?
First in 800 meter, 1500 meter, 3000 meter, I win gold medal.
Wow. For the first time you
Yeah,
entered
yeah.
and then you won the gold medal in all three events.
Yes.
That's how you became the national champion for the first time under 18.
Yeah. Under 16 and 18 also.
For both the events you played.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I'm national champion.
Okay. Garima, you've been an achiever from the very early age. You are a champion at the school games, you are champion at the state level, and you're gold medalist at the national level under 16 and under 18. That's a very fabulous journey for an athlete. I think many will aspire for that and they will not reach there. No, it would be a dream to win one gold in a national event for a person, but you have won golds and golds.
Yes.
But now that I see you on the wheelchair, how is that twist has come about in your life?
I came to Bangalore from Uttarakhand to participate in TCS World 10K race, which is held on 27 May 2018 in Bangalore. And I run and I got 6th position in gender rank. after I'm inviting one race which is held on Udupi, and I run on a roadside, mean practicing. That time the car came and hit me. In the place was Kudermukh, and that time my both legs are stopped working, so I don't know what is a spinal cord injury. Then local people came and मुझे हॉस्पिटल में ले गए, एंड देन वहाँ डॉक्टर को पता नहीं चला कि क्या हुआ है. सो द
Was
डॉक्टर,
there any external injury?
no external injury, only spine injury.
Okay. So you were hit by a speeding vehicle,
Yeah.
car, and you fell on the road.
Yes.
And then after that you can't walk.
Yeah.
You didn't know what has happened.
Yes.
There is no external injury.
Yeah.
I think later it is realized that your spinal cord has been damaged.
Yeah.
So now you are seated at the wheelchair and doing a whole lot of athletic activity from the wheelchair.
Yeah.
I think it's very traumatic for a person who has been running and winning goals now to sit on a wheelchair and depending on others. But to come up till this level in the wheelchair must have been taken more effort and more courage, isn't it? How did you manage that situation?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरा सर्जरी मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल उडीपी में पूरा हुआ, एंड व्हेन पापा आस्क्ड द डॉक्टर व्हाट द स्टेटस ऑफ गरिमा, सो द डॉक्टर से कि अभी रिहैब चलने दो, एंड 2-3 years रिकवरी होने में लग जाएगा. सो उस समय पापा ने जो पूछा डॉक्टर से कि अभी नहीं चल सकती, सो आई से ओके. सो दैट टाइम मेरे फ्रेंड हनी का सपोर्ट रहा, पापा का सपोर्ट था, एंड फैमिली का तो सपोर्ट था. सो ओनली 2 months मैंने रेस्ट किया, एंड देन आई एम स्टार्टिंग माई व्हील चेयर रनिंग, पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer एंड 400 meter इवेंट्स. सो मैं सब जितनी भी मैंने रेस पार्टिसिपेट किया व्हील चेयर में, उसमें सब में मैं विनर बनी. एंड धीरे धीरे डिप्रेशन एंड नेगेटिव थिंकिंग निकलते रहा कि मैं कभी चल नहीं पाऊँगी. सपोर्ट मिला, एंड कि इस कंडीशन में बैठने के बावजूद भी
कुछ कर
सपोर्ट
सकती
कर रहे हैं, मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. सो मैंने अपना स्पोर्ट्स स्टार्ट कर दिया. सो मैंने ये नहीं देखा कि आई कांट वॉक.
You said, okay, you have a wheelchair on which you can do many things.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Now you do a lot of traveling.
Yeah.
I see you traveling on the wheelchair. I see you crossing the road. Of course, Honey is there, and there are others also who help you.
Yeah.
And then you are practicing, you are coaching. You are here in Bangalore for a coaching for the forthcoming international qualifying event.
Yes.
What is that?
First of all, in Mohali, Wheelchair National Championship was organized in the month of June, and I'm play for Haryana state. But वहाँ मेरे को बेस्ट प्लेयर का अवार्ड मिला because I cast 18 basket from my team.
Garima, tell me, were you a basketball player before?
Before accident.
After this unfortunate accident, though you are on wheelchair, you thought of playing the basketball from the wheelchair.
Yes.
Okay. In that Mohali, you had.
The federation gave me best player award, and in this camp 18 girls are selected for the national camp. इसमें से top 12 girls select हुई for the pre-qualifier Olympics, which is held on Thailand in the month of November.
Oh, that is yet to happen, no?
Yeah.
Pre-qualifier selection will be held in Thailand in the month of November.
यस. इसमें जो कोच आए थे सिलेक्टेड करने के लिए, वो लंदन से आए थे, जसपाल धानी सर. उन्होंने हमें इस कैंप में काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला. उन्होंने हमें फंडामेंटल्स बताए. व्हील चेयर बास्केटबॉल के 5 फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं: टैक्टिकल स्किल्स, कम्युनिकेशनल स्किल्स, मेंटल स्किल्स एंड कैरेक्टर स्किल्स. इसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, एंड हर एक जो टेक्निक मतलब स्किल्स थी उसका अलग अलग था कि मेंटल से कितना पॉजिटिव है, एंड व्हील चेयर को कैसे खेलना है, कैसे शूट करना है. सो काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला उस कैंप में. देन 31 अगस्त को सिलेक्टेड हुई लड़कियां टॉप 12, एंड वैसे टॉप 14 किया है इन्होंने, लेकिन टॉप 12 में सिलेक्टेड हुआ है. एंड इसमें जो भी सिलेक्ट हुए हैं वो थाईलैंड जाएंगे क्वालिफाई करने के लिए.
So you are in the team
Yeah.
that is going to Thailand in the
yes.
month of November.
November.
So there, if you get selected,
Yes.
if your team gets selected in Thailand, you will be participating in the
Tokyo
Paralympics in 2020.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a very good news, Garima. Congratulations once
you,
again. You did not see your setback from the mainstream running to the wheelchair. The transformation was very fabulous.
Yes.
Within 15 months of time, you are winning international level qualifier.
Yes.
That is a very fabulous journey, very great achievement, I should say, than what you were achieving on the road as a runner. This is more important because you have to, after this very big unfortunate twist in your life, you have to gather all the courage and then you have to move forward in life. And I don't think it has been very easy for you, though you say in simple words that I said, okay, this has happened, I will continue, something like that. But I think it was very difficult. But you have won over the situation and you are confident of playing this way from the wheelchair. Apart from basketball wheelchair, what else do you do?
बास्केटबॉल के साथ मेरा मेन गेम फोकस ऑन एथलेटिक वैसे जैवलिन एंड डिस्कस इन दिस गेम मैं चाहती हूँ मैं इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करूँ इन द टोक्यो 220 आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग इन जैवलिन एंड डिस्कस विदाउट कोच एंड
On your own.
या ओन प्रैक्टिस
You have chosen Bangalore as your place for coaching.
यस
Why is it so?
एक्चुअली फैसिलिटीज ऑल्सो इन उत्तराखंड व्हील चेयर एसेसिबल वहाँ व्हील चेयर एसेसिबल जगह नहीं है सो बैंगलोर इज अ गुड
Topography is like that,
Yes.
no? Mountainous area it is.
Yes.
Yeah, very dangerous also. Maneuvering wheelchair is very difficult.
Yeah.
No? You think Bangalore is a very safer place for you to practice?
Yes.
Of course, coaching facility, stadium you are using here.
Yeah.
So any athlete can use any facility anywhere in India, isn't it?
Yes.
So I think your friend Honey is also supporting you in a big way.
Yeah.
Now after the selection in Chennai, you need to practice. Your teammates are from all over the country, different states.
Yes.
But you need to come together and practice for the qualifying matches, isn't it?
Actually, our federation told every player that he will organize one camp in the month of October. So those players are selected in this camp. वहाँ सब एक साथ मिलके फिर से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
It is a team event. All of you need to play together. So you will have one more camp in the month of October to practice for the November competitions. Isn't
Yes.
it? Now you are practicing alone.
Yes.
You are trying to improve your skills.
Yes.
Honey Singh, now that Garima is here in Bangalore, you are working, you are running marathon, you are cycling, you are into a whole lot of athletic activities. There's a lot that can be done for the differently abled people. You are a normal fit person and we can use all the facilities. But people like Garima and others who are not able to run on the road or take their wheelchair on the road, they will need a lot of facilities. What kind of facilities do you expect for the athletes, especially abled people?
Main thing is that ki our city should be fully wheelchair accessible. Bangalore is also 40% wheelchair accessible. Like metro is fully accessible. And what can do, only government can do. They should organize more marathons on disability people, like differently abled people. And only government can do. And in normal marathon, it will be a very difficult to organize the wheelchair events due to safety issues, traffic issues. Garima, with the help of Central Mall, next month, we organized one marathon. It's named Parivartan. So we will talk about if we like...
Next month it is going to happen.
Yeah, 5th of October. Date is not fixed. We have to book the Cubbon Park slot first.
You mean to say we need to have more support system.
Yes.
We need to have the government supporting specially abled people and then organize events for them.
Yes.
Specific events for them.
Yeah. The main thing is that the safety issue become the main problem. In TCS, there is also separate wheelchair race, but very few marathons in India. They organized wheelchair like separate race. In India, there is like very less opportunities for like differently abled people.
We should have more facilities for the differently abled people to commute, to organize events and to participate in events. And other support system like financial assistance, they need to get some accommodation, they need to have coaches. Like now Garima is practicing on her own.
Yes.
If the sporting authorities can provide some coach on a regular basis, Suppose Garima wants to go to Kantirava Stadium for practice, there should be one in-house coach who can assist differently abled people in improving their skills. And what do you think is the support of general public for such people?
Like general people sports a lot. Like if mean they are like very sportive, but वही हमको एक एटमोसफेयर ऐसा डेवलप करना होगा. वी हैव टू डेवलप लाइक एटमोसफेयर की एक मोटिवेशन रहे, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पेशेंट और व्हील चेयर पेशेंट इज़ वेरी लाइक फील शाई टू केम इन अ पब्लिक. लाइक हमको एक मोटिवेशनल एटमोसफेयर क्रिएट करना होगा.
We have to accept them more, we have to encourage them more to come out, and then we have to motivate them to do the normal activities.
Yes, ma'am.
Because most of the time you go out with her, helping her go with the wheelchair.
नहीं, she can also go alone anywhere.
You
But
go alone?
Yes.
even she traveled by flight alone, and even sometimes he traveled alone to Kaban Park. But sometime it will be a problem. Like if I think if I am here, so why we let him
Go
alone?
alone. Garima, you have been traveling a lot for coaching and selections and other things. Sometimes you have to take the train, sometimes you have to take the metro, sometimes you may go by even flight. That time when you are going alone, how people are looking at you and helping you?
If people come and help me ना, so मैं उनसे मना कर देती हूँ, don't help me, I will go, I will manage. But मैं ये देखना चाहती हूँ कि अकेले ट्रैवल करने में कितना प्रॉब्लम आता है. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता, नथिंग. बट हेयर यहाँ ट्रैफिक इतना है कि मुझे थोड़ा डर लगता है
क्रॉस करने में डर.
क्रॉस करने में. तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा हेल्प ले लेती हूँ. बाकी ट्रैवल में अकेले.
So you think there is acceptance,
Yes.
there is compassion, there is welcome for such people to do the normal activities.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was nice talking to you, Garima Joshi and Harsimranjit Singh. I think this should also serve as a motivational program for our listeners. There are people who take very small failure. Sometimes people think of ending their life, which is not at all good. Less marks in some exam or unsuccessful in something. But there are big challenges, big difficulties in life, and people have come over. They have crossed over those difficult times and they have done something. And Garima is a living example. And there are people, helpful and compassionate people like Hani, who are always there, and the general public who are always there to give you a helping hand. Given this situation, I think we should look at life very positively and try to do our best all the time. So I wish you all the best, Garima.
Thank you, ma'am.
In your pre-qualifier Thailand event. I wish your team gets selected for the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic. And if that happens, when you come back, I think we should have one more interaction with you, one more interview, and Garima Joshi will be telling more stories of her travel and of her games. Thank you, Hani, and thank you, Garima, for coming and sparing your time in our studios. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
You were listening to an interview with international wheelchair basketball player Garima Joshi and marathon runner and cyclist Harsimranjit Singh. They were interviewed by Concepta Fernandez. This program was brought to you by All India Radio, Bengaluru. Tune in for our next English program on the 4th Friday of this month. This is All India Radio, Bengaluru.